In my previous video, I was talking about the regression analysis. In today's session, we will talk about the different terminologies which are used in the regression analysis. I'll discuss just two. The first is basically the variate, and the another one is the R square, which is also known as the coefficient of determination. So what is variate? Variate is basically the combination of all the independent variables in my data set. Suppose I have used three independent variables in my data set, like how the sales, how the different types of promotional techniques and the price of the product is affecting the sales. So here in this particular example, sales is acting as a dependent variable and the advertisement and the pricing is acting as an independent variable. So what will be the variate here? You will say the combination of advertisement and the pricing will be acting as a variate. Second term I have used, which is known as coefficient of determination, or in short it is also known as R square. So the value of this R square should always be less than 1. It's always less than 1. Whenever we perform regression analysis in any statistical you can say software, you can, if whether you are using MS Excel or whether you are using this SPSS, every time you will get the R square value. So it's this R square value is always less than 1, but it should be closer to 1. Now the question is, what is R square? So R square, it's basically, it determines, or the percentage of the dependent variable that is being explained by the variate. Suppose my regression equation, or suppose I have taken one example, sales is my dependent variable. What is my variate? My variate is advertisement and the pricing, or you can say independent variables are advertisement and the pricing. So I will perform a regression analysis, I will get a regression equation, and I will get a R square value, let's say 0.8. So what is the meaning of this 0.8 R square? So R square here 0.8 means 80% of the dependent variable. Dependent variable here is my sales. So 80% of the sales is being explained by the variate. Variate is what? The combination of all the independent variables. So here 80% of the sales is being explained by the advertisement and the pricing. So this is basically the concept of R square. So that's all about my side. Thank you so much.